Tatay! Vlog. Hi vlog, welcome to my channel. Hi Raiden.
I cannot open it.
Oh, wow. Thank you gid sa pag-recline kay asta gid sa tuhod kuya. Hindi okay lang. Okay lang. Okay.
Water niyo.
Thank you. Yee! Get free water. What will you say?
Thank you. Say thank you, my cow.
Say thank you. Nag-thank you na ko. Nag-thank you na ko. Hi, tatay. Are you comfortable? Wow. Na-all ba? Makasyal. Oh, you have a mountain? Can you tell us where you are?
I'm in the mountain city.
Mountain City.
I'm going to mountain.
Okay, Hambalimo fans, come join me fans.
Come join me, fans.
And let's explore. Sige na, let's explore.
Lord.
Who are you with today?
Let's explore the
My
city
friends.
Oh, hi friends. Hi friends.
Hi, hello.
Oh.
Hi. Oh, nagpa-vlog yan ka na yan.
All right. See you later.
What's your name, fans?
Oh,
I'm Roger, baby boy.
it's Roger. What will you say to Roger?
Roger.
Yeah? Roger,
You're so
poky.
Me, Bog is a dog.
Pogy's a dog.
Who is a dog? So then? Hindi pwede eh.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pwede, dili ka lang.
Hindi lang sa grass.
Go, guys, you have Habnoy. Hello po.
Where is your mama?
Hello po. Hello po mga artista. Char po. Yeah.
Kid, balik kid. About to say, ito sera.
Manong, anda masik kadagpa ka.
Sera.
Mandi. Dili sa ako no. Tapos ang ending ako, yung galing nakadagpa.
Dito sa biyak tita, mga amuban. Tita, dito sa biyak mga amuban.
Hi!
Pain get kita si Bebs no?
Kenny.
Hala, picture tayo.
Okay, good morning. So how does it feel to be in Atok? Go mama, breathe and breathe na blow, breathe and blow.
It's so cold.
Sige be?
May tuto.
O sige na.
What can you say? It's so
Can
cold
you
also.
breathe and blow? Breathe.
Breathe, blow.
O ay, kay Toto na. Bugabi ma. Wah! Teya, bugabi te. Buga na, sige na.
Kaso kaniya.
Tita. Okay, hi! Wah, amas mo man, no? Okay. Hi! Kumusta kayo dito sa Amerika?
It's so freezing.
Hi! Ay, who's that? The little boy.
Look at the smoke.
No! Kabitay, sige bitay. Where's the, ano? Where's the smoke?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Smoke is... Malamig na.
Raiden, good morning.
Not yet in wash.
Ayun, succulents, no? Uy, may frost. Ay, no? Ay, hindi. Maang Jew. Jew lang gali. Pero on colder temperature, ga-frost na siya. Hi, Raiden. Baby.
Hi, honey.
Oh, let's go na.
Nagos montes. Ha? Montes. Wala ni Pasar. Ikaw din itong ma'am. Dito walang ano doon. Ikot ka dito.
Hambali, welcome to Atok. Sige na. Well,
Kampu ato.
yeah. Let's go.
Kasi 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Find a good one for Lolo too.
Eh, ang balan mo si Lolo nasa dason. Mama sunod.
Up here.
Where?
Here.
But I think you will be the one to select which flower will you give to your lolo.
You help other flowers if they get
Yeah.
very cold. That's why you put it to the bolsa.
Yeah.
Lola, yes,
Put it
yes,
on the bolsa.
yes, we
Put it on
rescued
the
naman
bolsa.
another flower. Oh, this will do.
Where?
This one.
Is it beautiful?
Yeah,
Okay.
that's one you picked in the right farm there.
Oh.
What was your strange dream?
I just go down there.
Where?
My dream is go down there.
Your dream is go down there.
Yeah.
Oh, you see Ninang? Hi, Ninang.
Hi.
Oh, my gani, nami gani. Tubang day, tapos turn around. Nice.
Hey, come. Let's go with the flower there.
Wait, we're gonna climb na. We're gonna climb the mountain na. Yes.
Footprints of the dog.
Oy, masaka na kami. Bye-bye, Raiden.
No. Hey, friend. I just go back there. What's this? I'm touching
Holding
the
hands,
dog.
come on. Holding hands. Holding hands. Hi, say hi to Mama.
Hi.
Ay, Mama is here.
Hi, my name is Police Toto. And this is my friend.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go!
Alright. Bet, tilaw be. Namet? Namet?
Save planet Earth. The alarm signal is up. It's a double red alert. Mother Earth is in grave danger.
Yay! Amo na to. Naka-video gali. Alright. Woo! Fast pan ba? Dahil lang. Liwat. Wait. I'm on top of the world. Wait, liwat. I'm on top of the world. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, go.
I'm so bad.
Yoik, tatay.
Sige lang.
Oh, balikid. Nice. Perfect. Oo. Video ko gani.
Mine is Toto. I'm cutting all of the strawberries and eat it and make it strawberry juice.
Oh, oy.
I'm picking some and slicing it and putting it to my basket.
I think this is a heart one. You look at that.
Wow, it's very good to make.
Kung mga pangkain, sir, pwede nyo kunin yung mga mapupula. Ito, sobrang tamis po niyan. Pero kung gusto nyo po ng pambiyahe, at least 80% na hinog po. Yung mga medyo may
kasi
konting...
super,
Apo, yung medyo may pagkaputi pa siya, ma'am, ng konti. Kasi nahinog pa naman siya, ma'am.
okay.
Matamis kasi siya, ma'am, pag 80%. Pero pag kinuha nyo
Uy,
siya,
baby,
ma'am, ng
hindi na
dilaw
yan,
na ilaw.
small.
Kaya hindi na po siya
Kapala
Okay.
Oh, mama. Uy.
Baby, you choose the big one. Oh my God, may man yung... Oh, sige, kuwabi tayo.
Ay, pag gusto...
Okay, another.
Yan, nasa basket mo. You pick the red one?
I'm picking the red one too. Okay, over. Maybe I need a little more. Let's see.
Go, baby. There you go. Oh, let me see that. Oh, show it to your fans.
This one too.
Uy, gamay na yan. Hindi na yan. Hindi na. Laway na. Laway na, be. Laway na. Oh. Ang big ones lang.
One here. Okay, another.
Tayo, imo basket tayo, oh. Ikaw man mo.
Okay, but then you can borrow this.
Basket na tayo.
Okay, another one.
Ma? Ma?
Oo. Ano tayo? Oh, isang pira para 2 kilo.
Yes.
Ganay nga.
3/4 kuno na ang pan. Ang basket? Oo. Alos mapuno 3/4. Ako hindi lang gano'n.
Okay. Baga, base ang daghan ko ang nag-video mo.
Oh, ay ma. Kado to, isa lang?
Tipo rangi.
Mamaya mo nga balik ka.
Patry kay mama, be. Wine. Tirawi, ma. Busa na lang.
Okay.
Mas okay.
Daw red wine.
Ti red wine, ganun na sa.
18 na
Fans. Hey, fans.
dito yan.
I'm eating
Mamayong ka lang yun to yan. It's so sweet.
It's so sweet.
Sige, be. Sweet pancake. Missy. Big mouth, be.
Strawberry.
Big mouth, be.
Dapat may
Kung may
tayo.
payong. Pero ang
Wow.
ay wala pa.
Amo gini.
Okay,
At siya
try
po,
some.
amo man to ka.
Meow.
English notice, siguro kung
Oh, you opened it on the
Alright. It's so sweet.
Need to eat it again.
Ikaw naman, ubusa?
May laway mo.
Ah, ubusan na.
May laway mo ni.
Hindi na ako karon ka imo.
Soda.
Hindi ako pag-touch kinuyat mo sa
Sabi ko mabutang mo sa diya, di sa may left gidam piya, init-init gidya. Oo, gabukal gidya ng
Lola, ano ba ka masalo? Ayaw, when salon. Ang pulis officer Toto.
lamig naman eh.
Ma-walking tabala to, Teng.
Dito sige baklan ta tubig. Dapit mo lang.
It's here, gaggers.
Go, go.
Pupunta eh.
Go, Bia.
No, ano? Toro, oh.
Yes, smile.
Smile, Raiden.
Smile. I'm mixing malasa blood milk, condensed milk, the evaporated milk, and strawberry
Strawberry hard.
with heart shape. I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Pakita ko heart. I love you guys. Then ang
I
heart.
love you guys.
This is my heart strawberry.
Maganda my heart. Strawberry for you. Okay,
for you.
ikaw strawberry?
Eat na tanay.
Oh, it na ang
Sa panay ang ano? Ang kanon mo. Hindi ang...
Yak! Ako kang sweet.
Oh, ako ni oh. Maybe like this, oh. May luwag na ko na eh, Karim.
waay gang
24/7 daw hila customer service pero wala man.
pero wala ka sa bat.
Ang kala ko do chat no, nasa la active.
Oh, sige, be.
Ano?
Paano?
Sige,
Naara.
ka
lang.
Dali lang to.
Sa
Wait,
messenger.
wait lang to kay mama.
Tapos let's
Then, put some mixture.
Okay.
I'm gonna help
Okay, I think it's na okay na. And then you use your
That's enough,
spoon.
Toto.
You use your spoon. Then you
Okay.
mix it
Yeah.
like that. Okay, and then you eat it. Sige be.
Yeah.
Hey, wait.
Hey, wait.
Oh, dali na
Tunla
kayo
na,
ginabidyo
tunla.
ka ni Ninay.
Oo, sige na. Oh,
Doon
sige.
lang ang ibo
Tunla
ang
ka lang. Mo
ginakaon.
ginakaon mo to.
Raiden.
I-blend ka nga dito. Gamay ko.
Why kita blender? Oh.
Hello, ko pa man.
Oh, sige na. Oh,
Hi.
oh, tunla na yung sa mga.
Tunla, tanay
Oh,
mo
ano
sa
na yung
mouth
milk?
mo.
Ano yung milk?
Mami.
Yummy gid. Yung
Oh,
sa
ay,
plana sa baba
May
mo para makain.
magkasin ako.
Na yung mustache.
May mustache.
Ari, dugang yung mustache mo. Ready? 1, 2, 3, open mouth. May mustache. Dakdakote. Namit.
Namit.
Namit. Patilaw ta kay Tita Lori.
Mamit. Mama. Mag-grow up ko niya. Itak ko ka strawberry.
No, don't
Like
bro.
Nini.
Not like Nini.
In fairness, namit good man
Hi,
ba?
fans.
Hi, man.
sige na.
I thought
Daw ma-enhance ang
I'm
flavor
eating
niya.
a strawberry with this.
So,
I'm gonna stir this first.
Okay.
oh.
Slowly, friends.
So, sorry, fans.
Okay.
Ako yung makat man. I'm gonna
Make
slice
sure
up
na
you, mama.
nakafocus.
I'm gonna help you,
May
mama.
donut.
I'll help you, mama.
Okay, wait lang. I'm gonna get a bigger strawberry para hindi mo makat yourself. Oh, you hold here. Oh, tapos here. Oh, pop. No. Muna, oh. Muna, maguyat, oh. Oh. Hindi, no. Like that, oh. Nan. Oh, careful.
Okay.
Stand up pala, guro. Na, okay, oh. Isulayan yung mahal. Na hindi. Yeah, tigil. Okay. Okay. Oh, sige, be. Eat na, strawberry. Pagtano?
Hello, hello.
Mama! Hi! Kalalawas ang buko. Uy. Tatay! B, what's up? Alright, let's ride another LA escalator.
It's farted again.
It farted. What farted?
Fart and nag-uton. Another elevator. Fart. We're here now in the 7-up.
Come to mama. Come to mama. Box mo. Para kanino yan? Bili guys.
Guys,
Pauwi na po kami.
uuwiin kami.
Pilipinas. Got talent.
Dakalin. Ay, makanto kita sa Cebu Pacific, te.
Hindi ka man. Baby, where are you going? You're going home to the Philippines?
Oo. Ibigyan batang ko rin ang package ko, tas pwede na ko ka-replain, tas
How about this one?
sure. Yeah.
Wait, very sure.
Please have your own boarding pass and ID ready for presentation and scanning at the boarding gate. You may board the flight with one Princess Among Guests, Occupancy Airline RJ647.
Bye, Raiden.
Wait,
Napila pa ako. Napila pa. Makulit. Tighten it. What does it say?
See, if you ever ride an airplane or a car, if you want to go there to the pier, you need to check this. And this one, if you have this, then you will. You
Oh,
play
you're
there.
on the window seat. I
What?
can see the airplane's wing. You see
Why
that?
is someone moving now? And this one is the airplane. This is the book Pacific. It did this. And this one is the tail. And
Inside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Glow automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please.
go fast. You go fast and Pacific.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, we're flying.
Let's see what Pacific takes today. Let's see what Pacific takes today.
Okay, we're still climbing. We're trying to get the right altitude for the fly straight. It's about to go straight. Show your fans, your plane. Where is your
Look at this. Look at my plane, fans. Is it cool, you know? That is the Blue Pacific. Look at this. See? Let's have this. That is the Blue Pacific. And she's gonna move so fast like this. Oh, wala pa yung straight kay ala pa sa may babaw kaya ayos pull siya pala ka arrive siya pala so fast kaya tanda niya mo ni
Raiden?
I have 2 airplanes flying there. Oh no, it's gone. Okay, Habaya Magic.
117.
Alright. Hey, how's your flight?
Cool. Why did not other flight again?
Show them your plane.
Look at this. It's a new plane.
See you next time, friends.
See you next time, friends.